Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to find commercial songs on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. All you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, tap on this plus icon for recording a new video or for taking a picture. The choice is yours. You want to take a picture or record. For me, I will record a video, so I'm tapping on this icon. And here, how can you find commercial sound? Tap on this sound icon, which is on the top of the mobile screen. These are not the commercial sound, you have to tap on this search bar. And here, no need to write anything. Simply tap on this option. Discover more songs. So here are the songs. And also, these are not commercials. So how can you find it? You can see the option on the top, songs. And on the second number, you can see the option commercial sound. Tap on it. And here you can see these are commercial songs. There are some TikTok official sounds, and if you scroll down, you will explore some more sound effect. All these are commercial sounds of TikTok. So it was the primary way by which you can find commercial sounds of TikTok.